Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcela. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share with you a few tips so you can keep your home clean and safe during these tough days. And the first thing that I want to start with is to clear the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. There are two different things and we have to be clear of what's the difference between them. Cleaning is to remove all kinds of dirt or debris that might be on a surface. On the other hand, disinfecting means killing germs, bacteria and viruses. The difference between them is that by cleaning you are not exactly removing viruses, because sometimes viruses and bacteria will hide under the dirt. So when you do that, you are removing the dirt, but the bacteria that might be under it might not be removed. By cleaning, what we are doing is trying to remove as much as we can. We might take as much as bacteria and viruses as we can. However, they're not being killed. On the other hand, disinfecting, then that will make the difference. That will actually kill the germs, and bacteria and viruses. So now that we know the difference, it's very important that we know we have to do both steps. I know it's a little tiring, and especially these days we don't need to have more job on our or more things to do on our plate, but it's important that we do both things. By cleaning first, we're going to remove all of the dirt as much as we can, and then we're going to spray and disinfect in the areas that we want to disinfect. Also, it's very important that when we disinfect, not to just spray it and wipe it out right away, because that way we're not allowing the disinfectant to do the work. We have to spray, leave it for a little bit, hopefully between 3 and 5 minutes, and I'm talking especially during these days or in any flu season. Allow the disinfectant to do the job, so that way it will actually kill the bacteria and viruses. So you let it sit for a few minutes and then you wipe it out. It is very important that during these days we clean and disinfect all those high point areas. What is that? Those areas that we are going to be touching with our hands more frequently. And these are areas that we normally don't pay attention to, but I'm sure that during these days we all are paying attention and extra attention to these spaces and these surfaces. For example, we all know and we've heard enough about cleaning and disinfecting light switches, the doorknobs, etc. But please do not forget other areas and other surfaces that we have high contact with, like the kitchen cabinet doors, for example, and the handle where you take it, where you open it, or the sink, the faucet, especially in the bathrooms, the toilet handle where you flush the toilet, the back of the chair, our desks, our computer keyboard, our phones, our headphones, the charger. All those things we are touching constantly and every day, so it is important that we pay attention to those surfaces as well. And also the floors. If you are not doing this already, it is very important that you take off your shoes when you get home, so you don't spread all the dirt and bacteria and viruses that you may bring from the outside. Another thing to do during these days is to wear gloves as much as you can when you are cleaning, or especially when you're disinfecting. If you have reusable gloves, what you can do is wash them after each use. What I normally do is that I wash them when I still have them on, as if I were washing my hands with warm water and soap. Also, wear gloves when you're doing the laundry. We will probably be doing more laundry these days because we don't want to keep using the same clothes every day. It is important that you wear gloves. These days it is very important that you wash your clothes with a little warmer water Normally I recommend to use cold water all the time. That's what I normally do, but these days it's important that we use a little warm water. Also, when you are doing laundry, do not shake your laundry. Just put it directly to the washer machine. If you have a hamper, wash the liner of the hamper as well. If the hamper does not have a liner, a fabric liner, you can put a trash bag. So you grab the trash bag and bring it to the washer, so you don't have to bring the clothing by itself to the washer machine. Another thing that you could do is disinfect the hamper. Wipe it down with a damp cloth with a little bit of dish soap, and then that's to remove all dirt from the laundry, and then we're going to disinfect it. You can spray it and just leave it there, or you can spray a cloth and wipe it down and leave it there. And another thing that I wanted to suggest is to wash your sheets and towels as often as you can. If you normally do it once a week, I would highly suggest that you do it at least twice a week, or more often if you're able to. Also with your hand towels, if you normally do it more often, like twice or 3 times a week, try to do it daily or every other day, as best as you can. And I want to emphasize that I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you suggestions on what you could do during these days. So if you are able to do it more often, then go for it and do it. If you're not able to do that, just do whatever you can and know that you're doing your best. And that's it. I really hope you liked this video and it helped you to clear a few things, and hopefully we can all work together on this. If you have any kind of questions, how to clean certain surfaces during these tough days, please leave it in the comments down below and I will try to answer as fast as I can. And if you haven't done so already, I would love if you can subscribe and give it a like to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.